In the last video of the Equipment Essentials and Volunteer Guide series, we covered how to set up your equipment after picking it up. In this video, we will explain how the Scoreboard overlay works and how to use it. This video expects that you follow the steps in video 2 to properly set up your equipment. On your camera, you may find a little device. This device is called a Wi-Fi dongle, and it hosts a website accessible from the iPad provided in your kit. This webpage gives you all of the control necessary for the Scoreboard. A preset Scoreboard will be overlaid to the footage that your camera is recording. Turn on the iPad. Go ahead and open the Safari browser. This will bring you to the Scoreboard's webpage. You should see a prompt to enter a username and password. The username for all the cameras is JVC. The password for all of the cameras is 4 zeros, 0000. Once you've connected to the camera, you should see a button named Overlay Control. This will open the options to control the score. This menu is built into sections to control different aspects of the score. To get you started, let's go through the basic and most important settings. Time. The clock is controlled here. The actual time that is being recorded is shown at the top of the menu. Adjusting your time is as easy as using the arrows or typing in a value. Keep in mind that nothing will change until you hit the set button. After you set a time, use the start and stop buttons to start and stop the clock. Score. The score is kept here. Similar to how the time works, you can use the arrows or type in a number. You have to click the update button to change anything. Period. This is where the period of the game is set. Use the buttons to change the period of the game. Use the half button to show that it's halftime, and use the final button to signify the final score of the game. When you're finished with the game, go ahead and shut off the iPad and pack it away in your carrying case. This video was intended to help demonstrate and explain how to use the Scoreboard overlay in a sports broadcast. As always, feel free to reach out to GTV if you have any questions or ideas. You can call us at 603-497-5707, email us at goffstowntv@goffstownnh.gov, or visit our physical location at Goffstown High School. We look forward to working with you to further enhance our sports coverage.